friends, today we have come to Bestberry Farms for strawberry picking. You can see behind me that there are some plants of blackberries. So this farm is full of blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and today they have kept it for strawberry harvesting. This is my first time for strawberry picking. I am very much excited. I have come here with my family to do the strawberry picking, and I find the advantage of strawberry picking is that you get the fresh strawberries from the farm. You get a chance to pick the strawberries by your hand. So that is also a fun activity for us also and kids also. And we can pick the most ripened strawberries, because whatever the strawberries we get in shops, they are generally picked very early when they are either orange color or yellow color, and they generally are expected that they will ripe slowly in the shops, but generally it doesn't happen. But here the advantage is that you can pick the just right exact the red color strawberries, and friends, stay till the end for some motivational tips, because the idea of my channel is learn to celebrate life wherever you are. So I will give you some ideas to do how to do it in your own country, and I will also share some business ideas which can be useful if somebody wants to go into this business, because I have done my MBA, so this business ideas generally comes naturally to me. So I will share some business ideas with you all which you can use it. I will take you inside and show you all how we are going to do the strawberry pick. Some motivational tips. If you have liked our strawberry picking activity, you can do same activity in your country. In India, as I have seen in Mahabaleshwar, they have cherry picking, and in some of the other countries also this kind of fruit picking is there. Maybe different fruit picking, some have cherries, some have apple picking, so you can try this, and it is a very good activity with the kids and the whole family. Other than watching TV for the whole day or kids playing the video games for the whole day, this is the best activity which you can take the kids, and it is not that expensive also. because it is just the cost of the strawberries you have to pay. Most of the places the eating is free, that while picking you can eat as many strawberries as you want and just pay whatever you are buying. So it is not very expensive, and you can take whole family for this. And I told you that I will share you some business idea also. So I find in US that they convert this kind of farms and everything so that people can come and enjoy and buy their fruits by picking by their own hands. And some farms they charge fees for that, some doesn't charge. So I feel that even you also can do that in your own country. If you have a farm, you can just make it a tourist spot wherein the people can come and they can pick up the fruit, and you can charge for the fruit, or you can just keep the entrance fees so that they can come and enjoy here. Sometimes people also bring lunch, their own lunch, and have a picnic over here. So it's a very good day spent with the family. And also you can start your own business if you have any farm, because I have also seen grapes trees in near the Nasik in India. So you can go and visit that, but plucking is not allowed. So we can also include some fruits plucking, so that also is a very good activity. Friends, if you like my channel, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.